Okay, so if you're terrified and exhausted, this guide lays out a clear do-it-yourself plan that actually works. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. Here's the thing. This is a practical, repeatable routine. Bed bugs aren't removed by one spray or one cleanup. Stick to the program until the pests are gone. Okay, so for bite reduction tonight, start with the basics that stop feeding right away. Put encasements on every mattress and box spring, wash bedding and pajamas on the hottest setting and dry on high, and put interceptors under any bed legs to catch bugs before they climb up. This one's important. Move the bed away from walls and remove any nearby clutter or furniture that touches the bed. That separation stops bugs from easily crawling onto the mattress at night and reduces hiding places while you treat the room. You know what really helps? Encasements remove hiding places and protect you. Heat kills bugs and eggs, and interceptors plus furniture separation reduce nighttime feeding and slow spread. Stick with those basics and you'll see fewer bites fast. Here's the thing, cleaning and heat are what actually kill bugs in furniture and laundry. Vacuum, steam, and use high dryer heat to hit adults and eggs. Start by vacuuming mattresses, bed frames, baseboards, and carpet edges, and toss the vacuum bag into a sealed outdoor trash bag right away. Steam seams and upholstered furniture with a 200 degrees Fahrenheit surface steam cleaner to kill on contact. Launder curtains, clothes, and washable items on hot and dry on high, and keep clean items sealed. This is the simple science. Vacuuming removes bugs, steam kills on contact, and high heat in dryers kills eggs and adults. Do the heat steps every time you cycle laundry until the infestation is under control. This one's important. Spraying can cut the population fast and protect your home afterward. Use the right combination of contact and residual products and follow a schedule. Use a contact spray to kill the bugs you see right now for immediate relief. Apply a residual spray to baseboards, bed frames, furniture cracks, and wall perimeters so products keep working after drying. Stick to a schedule. Spray twice a week the first month, then once a week for the next 2 to 3 months while you keep encasements, heat laundry, interceptors, and clutter control. Here's why it works. Contact spray lowers the active population immediately. Residual spray keeps killing while eggs hatch and new adults move around. Repeated treatments cover the eggs that hatch later so you don't miss the survivors. Okay, tiny hiding spots are where survivors live. Inspect and treat cracks, joints, and voids so nothing keeps the population alive between treatments. You pull out drawers, remove outlet covers, and inspect seams, folds, and screw holes with a flashlight and a stiff brush to dislodge bugs. Then treat cracks, crevices, and furniture joints with a residual product or apply diatomaceous earth in voids, being careful not to put powder on bedding surfaces. Bed bugs hide in tiny spaces. Systematic inspection plus targeted treatment eliminates hidden survivors. Take your time and check screws, seams, and folds so you don't leave pockets where they can survive. Be consistent and compassionate with yourself. This takes time and diligence, but it works. You will be tired, but keep going with the routine. To get the exact products we recommend for each step, click the link below. This part is what turns a treatment into a cure. Follow-up, monitoring, and separation habits catch survivors and stop reintroduction. Then check interceptors under bed legs weekly. Do visual inspections of mattress seams, bed frame joints, and baseboards every 1 to 2 weeks. Look for the 4 signs: live bugs, shed skins, dark fecal spots, or small blood spots. Regular checks catch failures early so you can retreat before things spread. This is the rule we follow. If you don't see any of those 4 signs for 3 straight months, the infestation is very likely gone. Keep newly laundered clothes sealed, and when you travel, inspect luggage and wash or dry clothing right away. Expect to follow the spray and cleaning schedule for at least 2 to 4 months, depending on severity. You may see a big drop in bugs the first week, then a few survivors for weeks after. That's normal. Persistence is what finishes them. You can do this. Trust the process and protect your sleep. For the exact tools and supplies we recommend to treat and prevent future infestations, click the link below.